Welcome. Today I will show you how you can check serial number of each AirPod. Of course, I'm here with AirPods 3, as you can see. So we can make it on the two ways. The first one, and probably the fastest one, you have to open the settings. You will start from this screen. So go for the Bluetooth, tap on the information icon of your AirPods, and then scroll to the bottom. Here you'll find at the first the serial number of your case. But when you tap on it once, you will find serial number of the left, and then of the right when you tap one more time. And the second method, we have to grab our AirPods, and right now let me zoom in so I will show you how it looks. There it is. As you can see, on the left one, on the left AirPod, we can find serial number at this place, and the same when we grab the right one, it appears right here. Oh, right now we can see it clearly. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.